Hello students, today I will be telling you the answers of those questions which I had given you, right? First one was this. You must have seen the flag of our country, right? So, do you know how to draw the flag? If you know, then you write it yes, otherwise no. Now, next question they have given here. Draw a rectangle of length 9 centimeter and width 6 centimeter. First of all, we have to draw a rectangle, right? And for that, we will be needing a scale. So, I have brought one. Divide it into 3 equal parts and complete the flag. So let's do it. First of all, I'm going to make a rectangle with 9 centimeter length and width 6 centimeter. See here. Yes, here it is. From starting 0 to, we will take 9 centimeter as length and 6 centimeter as width. So for 6 centimeter, I'm taking width. Width means shorter one. So here it is 6. I have used pen. You will be using pencil, okay? Don't use pen. And here 9 centimeters. Same way it goes up. Let me take first length 9 centimeters and here 6 centimeters width. Okay, now I'm going to divide it into 3 equal parts as said in question. So for 3 equal parts, we know that width is 6. 3 equal in 6 I have to divide into 3 parts. So 3 parts means each will be 2 centimeter. So with 2 centimeter gap, I am going to mark there 2 centimeter gap, right? So here it is 2 centimeter, then 4, and here it is 6, and then straight line, join them. Here is our flag as said in the book. Now we have to complete this flag. Completed. Now the top 1/3, this they are talking about. See here, the top 1/3 of our flag is saffron or orange color. As you have also seen, tricolor, three colors, 3 main colors are there. First is saffron color. Here you will be coloring it orange. Here top one orange, right? Then what is the color of the middle 1/3 of the flag? This color is white, so you are going to write there white. And where will you draw the Ashoka chakra? In middle. So here you will write the answers yourself. What is the color of the middle of 1/3 of the flag? You will be writing here. The color of the middle 1/3 of the flag is white. Where will you draw the Ashoka chakra? I will draw the Ashoka chakra in the middle of the white part. Now how much of the flag will you color green? Green is how much? See, 3 parts are there. So the last one is green, and this is how many parts? See, 1 2 3, 3 parts. Out of 3 parts, how many parts you are going to color? Out of 3 parts, how many parts you are going to color green? 1 part. So 1/3 part you will be coloring green. Okay, next is the white color now less than 1/3 of the flag, and why? If you will draw here Ashoka chakra, right? If you will draw here Ashoka chakra, then little bit space will be taken up by this Ashoka chakra also. 24 strips will be there. These they denote 24 hours, right? So here you have to draw 24 of them, and then because this also takes up some space, so that's why the white space is little bit less than 1/3. Okay, so for why reason you can write there, yes, the white color is now less than 1/3 of the flag because little bit part has been taken up by the Ashoka chakra. That you have to write here. Now look at this flag. This is flag of Afghanistan. Now it also has 3 parts, 3 equal parts, that is black, red and green. They are asking that how much of it is black. So you can see 1 part is black out of 3, so 1/3. The green part of the flag can be written as Green is also 1/3, so it can be written as 1/3. You can either write in words or in numbers, it does not matter, same thing it is. Now, is less than 1/3 of the flag? Yes or no, or why? See, 1/3 is now less. Here it is written wrong. Maybe this he has not seen properly. So actually the red part is less than 1/3. Why it is less than 1/3? Can you see the white logo? So little bit of space has been taken away by the white logo. That's why the red portion is little bit less than 1/3, right? Now this is the flag of Myanmar, our neighborhood. There's a 7 sisters are there, no? Towards the east of India. So there it is, our neighbor touching that part. So here this is flag of Myanmar, it is our neighbor. And now you have to tell, is blue more than 1/4 of the flag or less? See, look at the blue portion, it is less than 1/4 of the flag, right? It is not more than. First of all, white color is also there, so white logo has taken up space. That's why blue is automatically less than 1/4. And moreover, this part is looking little bit more than blue color. See, you can use your scale to see. You can also do it at home like I am doing. For it is 3.9 total length, and out of 3.9, 2.8 is blue. And if 2.8 is blue, then red is 1.8 is blue. 1.8 is blue, and 2.1 is red. So 2.1 centimeter is red. That means red is more, 2.1 is greater, no? You can also check it yourself. It is coming 2.1 here, and this is 1.8. So is blue more than 1/4 of the flag or less? So you will be writing less. Now guess how much of the flag is red. You have to guess it, although I have checked it with scale, but since you have to guess it, so therefore you can see it yourself. See, 1, 2, 3 parts it is looking, that it is made up of at least 3 parts. And since this blue part is less than 1/3 of the part, 1/4 of the part, so it will be more than half also, and 3/4 also. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there, no? But not all are equally distributed. This is the smallest one. These 3 are equal, these 2 are equal, and this is also equal, these 3, because this is the smallest portion here. So this actually the red part is more than 3/4. Okay, and they have given here also because of the blue chakra in the white part of Indian flag, the white color is a little less than 1/3. There's themselves they have given this answer, that is the white color now less than 1/3 of the flag. And why? So why it was less? Because the white part of Indian flag, it is little less than 1/3 because of the blue chakra. That is what we call it Ashok chakra, right? So that I have already discussed. Thank you.